Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're talking about how to create a Payoneer account as freelancers. Payoneer is one of the platforms we use to receive payment. So I'll leave a link to signing up in the description below. If you use the link, you'll be getting $25 from it. So if this is your first time joining us, do well to hit the like button and smash the subscribe button, because we'll be getting content that look like this on a regular basis to help you as a freelancer, to help you as a business person that receive payment internationally. So if you use the link on the description below, I also put it in the screen, you'll be able to get $25 when you sign up. So you click on this sign up and earn. So once you click on that sign up and earn, you should be taken to this page where it talks about the account type. Let's find the right account for your needs. So you have different accounts for different persons, different freelancers, different doing different work. We have the one for, okay, I'm coming, let's yeah. So we have different freelancers accounts for different people. For those persons doing affiliate marketing, their own is different. For those persons doing freelancing, their own is different. Remote work is different. So with Payoneer, guys, it doesn't matter which type of work you're doing, you'll be able to set up an account that is peculiar to you. Okay, so let's if you're an online seller also, so you have different accounts meant for you. So let's click on freelancer. Okay, I'm looking to get paid by international clients, so click on that, then click on register. This is freelancer agency or service provider, so that's, we click on this. So you see, this is what we are registering for today. Freelancer. If yours is affiliate marketing, there's affiliate marketing box there, so you click on affiliate marketing. So these are some of the benefits of using Payoneer, guys. You can withdraw to your bank account anywhere in the world. So let's click on register. So if you are registering from Russia, it's a unique link for you. So for my Russia viewers, you can use that link on that to go to the page to register. But for any other person, guys, use this registration link to register. Okay, so once you take that, it should take you to the sign up page where you sign up all your details, you log in all your details that Payoneer will use to verify your account. So make sure, guys, that the details you be submitting to Payoneer are genuine details. Don't change anything, don't change any date, don't change any information. Make sure they are all genuine information. So you see, you can either be for individual or company. So if you want to open for your individual or for your company, so you can use any of these. Then you fill in your name, your surname, your password, your email address. So these are all the uh, information you need to fill in, guys. So you fill everything in here and make sure that whatever you're filling in is something you will remember, so you don't want to get locked out of your account. So fill in all these details, yeah. Then choose your passport, date of birth, choose your date of birth, so the date you are giving birth to, you choose it here. So once you're done with that, click on next. Okay, let's change this email address, not correct. Let's change the email address. Okay, then date of birth, date of birth. Let's fill in our date of birth here. Okay, the date of birth. Let's go. Oh, sorry, the A is there. Let's go to the date of birth. So let's use any date for the purpose of this video. We'll be using any date. Let's use 1990. Okay, 1994 and February 2nd. That was when I was recording this video, guys. So let's click on next. Remember, guys, you can either sign in for your company or individual. So if you want to tell you how to send for your company, drop the word company on the comment section below, and I'll do that for you guys. Then the next place is to fill out your contact address, your house address, then your phone number. So you fill out all these details. They're very important, guys. Make sure you fill out all of these details, guys. And I remember I told you that you should fill out the details correctly so that you'll be able to get approved on Payoneer. You don't want to give Payoneer wrong details, because if you give them wrong details, they won't approve your account. Your account will be flagged off. So make sure that everything you're giving them is correct. So let's wait for the notification. They are sent us a verification code. Let's wait for it and see. Then we build it into here, guys, and continue with the registration process. Okay, it's taking long to come. Let's wait till it's you. Yeah, we have it. So let's fill it in here. Okay, what am I saying? This is 0. Yeah. With next. Next. Okay. Then that should take us to this place where we fill all our details. We fill our email, our country, our national ID, and all of that details that's needed for the completion of this process. So here we'll type our email. So the email we're using for this is Amadin Osas. Okay, so this is a dormant email, so don't send anything to this place, guys. So if you are getting value from this thus far, please do it to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button so that more people get to see this content and get value from the content as well. So help other persons to get this content by hitting the like button and the subscribe button. Let's continue, guys. So you select a security question. So when is your oldest child's birthday? You have so many questions here, so you pick one out of these questions. So which should we pick? Comment. Okay, so pick let's see, in which company do you had your first job? Let's type Benin. Okay, so yeah, guys, so since you can choose your country, so you choose the country, so you can choose any country you are from, guys. So this is worldwide, even in the United States. You can select the United States if you're from the United States, but make sure you choose your country, guys. Make sure the country you are choosing is yours, so don't choose any other country. So you then select a means of identification for that your country, So for Nigeria, I'll be using national ID card, but this I just use any random numbers. Okay, let's refresh this. I can see this. This So let's refresh this. Okay, so you type in these numbers that are here in this empty box. Type in the numbers that are here in that empty box. So it'll take you to this page, this almost done page. Uh, so this is the last part of the form we will be filling. This will be the last part. So if you are getting value from this video, guys, do it to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button also. And if you have any question you want to ask me, you are free to drop it in the comment section below, and I'll provide an answer to it. Any question at all, any process you are stuck at, we are here to answer you. So just make sure you drop it in the comment section below. So in this place, guys, so if you are creating for a personal account or a business account, you select your country, your currency, your bank account, the bank name. So this numbers, these figures are not correct, guys. So let's remove some zeros from the beginning. So you type in your country, the currency of your country. Then you type in the bank account of your country, then the account number. Then click on these two, agree to the terms and condition and privacy check, and agree to the pricing and fees of Payoneer. So these are some of the things you tapped. Then congratulations, guys, congratulations, you're done with the first step of creating your Upwork account. So what we then do is to okay, so the process is in review. So they'll review our information, our ID, so make sure that all those things you submitted are correct. So then we need to sign in into our account to complete some process. So we sign in into account to complete the process. So make sure the one way you get accepted into Payoneer is when all your information are correct. So make sure your ID number is correct. Every information dropping on Payoneer, make sure that all the informations are correct. That's the only way you get accepted. So let's try signing in here. So you type in your email and password in this place before you sign in. Email and password, then you sign in. Email and password. Okay, let's change the password for this. Then we sign in. Click sign in. Okay, so you can save it to your PC so that the password be saved. You don't necessarily have to remember it, the password for the place. So they'll send you a code. So you turn on the two-step verification. They'll turn you a code to this your SMS, so that you're able to so that you can log in to your account with your phone in case you don't have you have problem with your email address. So it's only two-step verification. So they should send you a code with the number you registered with. So you see why, guys, it's important for us to have a genuine number right here. So type in the code that we've been sent and click on submit. So copy and save the following recovery phrase to a safe place. So you can copy that and save it anywhere. But for now, let's continue and press OK. So guys, we are almost done with creation of our Payoneer account. We are set to receive money all over the country, all over the world as a freelancer, as an affiliate marketer. So this one of the platform you can use aside PayPal, and this platform is very interesting to use. So you can sign up from the link in the description on the screen or in the description below to get free $25. So this is my ID for the account. That's the ID for the account. So we need to fill out some information. So he said update your security settings. Strong security settings help to protect your account. So we have to update that, guys. Update now. Okay, let's update our security settings. So this will bring us to a page where we ask some security questions. Then we'll select any of the questions and provide the answer that we think we can remember. So select questions that are familiar to you. You can easily change the questions if those questions are not familiar to you. You can change it and answer it. So whenever you are locked out of your account, these are some of the things you use to recover it. So if you are locked out of your Payoneer account and you want me to create a video on how to get back into your Payoneer account, just drop a comment in the section below and I will do that. If you are locked out of your Payoneer account, you want me to create a video on how to recover your Payoneer account, probably have some dollars there, some amount of euros, and you're locked out, you don't know how to recover it, just comment down below and I will do a video specifically for you on how to recover your Payoneer account. So okay, so if you are filling in those information, this is loading. Okay, I think this Gulf network is slow. The network is slow. So let's wait a little bit for this to load. Okay, this is still loading. It's still loading. Okay, I think we should uh cancel this. Yeah, it's taking time to load. Let's cancel this. Yeah, cancel this. Then let's try to change it again and see if it takes more time. Yeah, this is about opening now. Okay, let's wait a little, guys. So if you're getting value from this thus far, smash the like button so you give us motivated. So you have to enter verification that was sent to the same. You see the importance of those two-step verification, guys. Then click submit, then change it save, then we are done. Let's go. We are all set up, guys. We are set up. Our Payoneer account is almost ready. It's almost ready. So yeah, our Payoneer account is ready. So if you fill in all the details, guys, you feed in details correctly, within a couple of days you get an email notification about your Payoneer account being approved. Yes, guys, your Payoneer account will be approved if you follow through all the processes I've talked about so far. You see here, you can receive money, you can pay, there are different activities you can do with Payoneer. Different activities you can do with Payoneer. You can receive, you can pay, you can do all sort of things, guys. So if you got value from this uh uh teachings today, if you got value from this, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that will keep us motivated to produce videos that are like this to help freelancers on their way to success, to help freelancers get money and receive money outside the country. See you next time, guys.